Hello guys, in this new tutorial of .NET MAUI, today you're gonna see how to manage localization in your application and make it multi-language. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more videos. So let's begin by creating a new folder called languages under resources, and we're gonna create a new resource file. Let's call application resource, and inside it we're gonna add a new label called button click name, and the value will be click in English, so the default language is in English. And the second file will be app resources.fr, and inside it we're gonna copy and paste the same label but we're gonna change click in French. Great. Now let's create a new folder called extensions, in which we're going to define a new extension, markup extension. So let's create a new class called translate extension, and we're going to extend the iMarkup extension interface. Let's implement the interface. So here in the constructor we need to initialize the culture. So app resources dot culture equal to current culture info dot current culture. Let's import the necessary namespaces, and I think we need to rebuild the solution to get the app resources designer.csharp. So let's see, yeah. So now we can import the necessary namespace. Yeah, this one. Great. So let's add a new property. Before that, we need to add an attribute called content property text, which means any text gonna be translated by this extension. Add a new property type of text called text, and inside the provide value, we're gonna check if the text it's different from it's equal to null. So string dot is null or empty of text. So we're gonna return empty. In other case, we need to check if the label exists in the translation file. So we need to get first of all the culture, the current culture of the system. If the system is in English, we're gonna check the English file. If in French, for example, we're gonna check the French file. And the second one, the second variable here is translation will be equal to the app resources dot resource manager dot get object, and we're gonna take two parameters here: the label, the key of the label, and the current culture. So in the translation it's equal to null, we're gonna return the text unless we're gonna return the translation. And if there is any exception here, we're gonna return the text so the user can see the key in the interface. So let's move to the main page here and let's import some namespace. Here will be LNG and will be the extension namespace. And for the text here, we need to bind the text to using this new extension translation and put the key label. Let's run and see. So here we have in English. Let's change the language system language and let's move to French and see. Normally it will be click, the text will be click in French. Yeah, great. So that's all for today. Thank you, and see you in the next video.